Thank you for all your patience on waiting on this video, and I appreciate y'all coming to view it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy. Now let's get on to the video. Also, in the description below, you will also see the wine that I use. You will also see the instructions of the regatta mixture. Honeybees, hello, I'm back. Honeybees, I am back. CJ, my money. That's my Statue of Liberty oil lamp and my lights on the tree. I reviewed them on this channel. There is my pillow to represent YouTube. And this is my purple Christmas tree. That is my star above. I reviewed that on this channel. And it turns different colors. And this is my beautiful 400 light Christmas tree. It's an artificial tree. I've had it for a couple of years, but look at it. It looks good. This right here is snow. That is my new addition to my living room. That's stockings for everyone. This is what we had to eat. And now we're going to get down to seafood lasagna. We're going to make that cream sauce. 4 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. 8 ounces of clam juice. In a medium saucepan on medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. In the saucepan on medium heat, add white wine. This wine is $6.99. Whisk slowly 8 ounces of clam juice. Add 3 cups of milk and a half a teaspoon of salt, a fourth a teaspoon of black pepper. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, simmer until it thickens 10 to 15 minutes. Fix the noodles al dente. You're also going to need a pound of lobster. I went and bought lobster tails. They need to be cut up and shred up. I bought 3 lobster tails. I'm going to shred them up and add them to the dish. I bought pre-cooked shrimp, so all I have to do is peel it, and it is peeled. And that's 1 pound of that, as well as 1 pound of crab meat. I added 2 pounds. They sell a box as 2 pounds, but about time you remove the shell, you really only got 1 pound. So that's why I bought 2. Spread a half a cup of cream sauce in the bottom of a 913 pan. Overlap the noodles over the cream sauce. Then evenly add shrimp, lobster, crab, and the regatta mixture. Sprinkle mozzarella and then pour the cream sauce over the mozzarella. Repeat noodles, regatta mixture, shrimp, lobster, crab. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of my things and then stuff. Cream sauce. Better late than never, ha. And then